In this guide, you will learn how to send Google Docs file from your phone to Messenger. This works for both Android and iPhone. Follow me, let me walk you through on how you can do that in easy steps. We need to take few steps to be able to complete the task of sending Google Docs to Messenger using our phone. So the first step is to access Google Docs on the web using your web browser. So here I'll be using Google Chrome. So I'll double click on it for it to open. Visit docs.google.com. Look at the link here. I still have it in the description, okay? On getting to this page, choose the kind of document you want to create. Do you want to go with blank document or pre-designed templates like resume, project proposal, later, brochure, and the rest, okay? But let's work with blank documents. So I'll click on it for it to open. All right, I'm done filling the document with text, okay? And I titled it Software Guide. All right, you can give your own document a different title of your choice and have the text you want to have inside of it. Have it the way you want to have it, all right? Then the next step is to download this document into our laptop. So to do that, click on File, select Download. Then choose the format you want to download it. Is it Microsoft Word, Open Document format, Raised Text format, or EPUB or any other format of your choice, Markdown and the rest. But here, let's download it in Microsoft Word format. Alright, so I'll click on this option and this file is downloaded. Now that the file is downloaded, we need to transfer it to our mobile phone. All right, so I'll be doing the transfer using iPhone. But if you use an Android device, all it needs is just use cable to connect to your PC and then send the file to your Android device. Okay, but for you to be able to transfer file from Windows PC to iPhone, you need an application called iTunes. Okay, so here my computer runs Windows 11 operating system. So get to Microsoft Store is usually pinned at the taskbar of every Windows PC. Okay, search for iTunes. Okay, so type the text iTunes in the search result in the search bar. All right, you can see the iTunes app here. So click on it. All right, once you click on the iTunes app, it will open on this page. Okay, what you need to do is to click on install. Here I've already installed it, and that is why I have the test open here. Okay, so click on open for you to launch it. As the iTunes app opens, use the cable you use in charging of your iPhone and connect one end to the USB port of your laptop and the other end to the charging port of your iPhone. All right. Once this connection is made, you may be prompted to grant access to your iPhone. That is, you may be requested that you grant the laptop access to your phone. Thereby, you need to tap on Trust and then type in your passcode, all right, on the iPhone screen. Good. Once you do that, you will still have this interface of the iTunes, okay? But you need to hold on because we need an icon to show up here. So hold on a little. Look at the icon we need here, all right? If it doesn't show up on your own iTunes app, please disconnect the connection of the cable and reconnect again, all right? Once you see this icon here, just click on it. Then click on file sharing. Now, this lists some applications that are already existing on your iPhone that can share files. If you don't have any on the list here, You can go on and install Microsoft Word or Excel on your iPhone. They can share files, all right, or even Chrome. So here I'll be using Microsoft Word. This appears as a folder on this PC. It's represented as a folder here, so it can accept any file. This one can accept file, this one can accept file, this one can accept file. Okay, depending on the applications that are installed on your iPhone. So let's work with Word. So I'll click on Word. Now on this page, what you need to do is click on Add File. This automatically opens the file explorer of your computer. So navigate to the folder where the docs file is saved. Okay, and look at the doc file here. I named it Software Guide. So click on it for it to be selected and click on Open. This file is now placed in my iPhone. So when you get to the Files app of your iPhone, get to Document folder and then get to this file. That is where you see this file, this software guide, all right, which is Google Docs. Now let's get to the iPhone and share this file through Messenger. I am on the screen of my iPhone right now. First thing first, install Messenger on your iPhone. Let's go and check to know if the file we transferred to our iPhone is here. So I'll tap on Files app. Then if you can remember, we saved that in the Watch folder. Alright, so I'll tap on Word. Then you can see software guide here. Alright, so the file is existing here. So let's go ahead and send it to Messenger. Please, if your Messenger is not updated, whether you're using an Android phone or an iPhone, update it because recently they updated the application to make it easy for us to share documents, Excel, and some other types of files. Alright, so tap on Messenger for it to open. Then tap on the contact you want to share the file with. Then tap the plus sign at the bottom left. Then select Share File option, share a file. Then navigate to the folder where you saved the file. Alright, so here I will tap on Browse. Then I'm already on my iPhone. You can see that at the top. Then let's get to the file. So the file is in the Word folder. So I will get to Word. See Word here. Then, if you can remember, we called it Software Guide. So you can see Software Guide here. So tap on it and tap on Open. And this file is being sent to this Messenger user. It is that simple. I hope you find this guide helpful. If it does help, consider subscribing to my channel. Here we discuss technology, which cuts across so many areas. We talk about how to use iPhone, Android, how to use computer, and so many important applications. We cover e-commerce, we cover self-publishing, as well as YouTube education for content creators, small channels, and those that want to start creating content on YouTube one day to make money. So the tech aspect is vast. So subscribe, all right? Hit the like button so that YouTube will recommend this content to more people. If you don't do it, there is no how the system. We know that this content is helpful. So hit that one, that thumbs up. Just hit it, okay? Thank you. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about this video. Is it detailed enough and helped you on what you want to solve? If it doesn't solve that, let me hear what you have to say in the comment section, okay? I'll provide extra guide on what you need to do to get that fixed. Okay? Watch this video to learn everything you need to know on how to use Google Docs. It is Google Docs tutorial, so you will like it. Thank you and see you some other time.